Namaste friends, I am Guruji from Trading Emotion channel. Welcome to you all for my intraday trade setup. After a short break, we are back to do some analysis based on the market profile. This is market profile chart you are watching now, and this is Nifty future 30 minutes time frame. If you are a new viewer of this particular channel, subscribe our channel, click the like button, click the bell icon. So whenever we are doing a new video, whenever we are uploading a new video in YouTube, you will get update, and do comment in our comment box. So what would be the thought process of today, 18th May 2023? So this analysis I am doing in the early morning, so that we'll get some good fresh mind, and I will get some good view also, good information. It's very clear as per market profile. This is called a rally high. Okay, this is called rally high. So rally high means some directional changes we can expect, but which location, that is very important. Now you people are, most of the people are watching IPL, right? So in IPL cricket, it's very clear. Whenever if you here in the commentary, they will say which pitch. If a good batsman wants to play a good shot, that batsman how to identify which type of pitch is that, which is favor of batsman or which is a favor of bowler, or is mixed one. So like that, the batsman will take a decision. If it is in the favor of batsman, he will hit more sixes, right? So if in the favor of bowler, the bowler will take more wickets. So like that, where the market is opening today, that means which condition. Every day you have to do this analysis. Then only you can be able to sustain in the long run. Okay, and this market profile will give you clear information. Yesterday morning itself, in our Telegram channel, I am not at all interested on this P. I am not at all interested on P, especially in bank nifty. I was just see. If you are a market profile trader, if you are regularly doing some analysis or information from market profile, you will not jump into this type of price action. This is called the price action, okay? And this type of fall, the price momentum, if you are a market profile, you will not jump here. You will wait and you will take a decision on the reversal part. Why? Because see, this is bank nifty future chart continuation. Why? Because this morning D period and E period information clearly provided that this is pakka emotional selling or poor selling or weaker hand selling. There is a no good dominant selling was happened here, and that's why after this I period, that means after here we clearly given in our Telegram channel, the reverse from here, market will market will odds for 43,700, and market exactly came 43,700 in the half an hour, within half an hour, 1 hour time frame. That was a good momentum also. So whenever you are doing this reversal as an option buyer, you will get this momentum. So as an option buyer, you need a momentum. Then only your strike price will move high. The script price will move high. Otherwise, if it is sideways market, then the premium will melt there. So that's why in the morning, yesterday morning itself, I am not at all interested on the PE side. And in Telegram channel, I was just looking for a reversal that was happened, and very good profits we booked on the yesterday's reversal. See, in this type of falling market, anyone can say market will fall now, market will reach test this particular zone, everything. But the reversal is very difficult. Why? Because the fear factor will be there. The fear factor will play a major role in the reversal part. Why? Because already market down this much of point, and the people are hesitated to look for a C, that means reversal. But market profile will provide you the clear information for the reversal. Okay, whatever happened yesterday, that's done. So what is today's thought process is very clear. We'll just discuss immediately. See, if market open inside this value area, that means inside this value area, mostly I will avoid the trading today. Why? Because then the market will play first half mostly in this particular region or in this particular region. Okay, so in the first half, and if market opening inside the value area, I am expecting there will be a sideways momentum on the first half. And if market taking this particular 18,310, please note this particular price level 18,310, then directly you can go for a 18,380 is a first target, and second target this AB poor high, that is 18,000. Second target 18,410, 18,000, yes, 410, then sorry 18,400. Directly first target 310 to 400, you can directly target 400. So any acceptance here, directly you can target this 18,480. This is one scenario which is market opened inside this value area. That is very, very important. We need acceptance at 18,310. Okay. If market opening gap up, that means in between, in this zone, in between in zone, any rejection from here, go for a CE, directly this target 400 and 480. 480 is a direct target of as expiry day. Today we can expect this up move. Very much clear where the market is opening. That is very, very important. If market opening inside value area we discussed, and opening above the value area and above this 310 also, you can look for a CE with a small SL. Below this this level you can put a SL. Now that means 18,260. 260 below that you can put a SL and go for a CE. If market opening gap down, that means, see, if market opening here, that means in this zone, you go for a PE. Why? Because this is a rally high. This is rally high. Okay, go for a PE. Any rejection from here or any rejection from this level. This level means yes, this level. Yeah, flat opening or after flat opening, if market moving any rejection from here 260, 18,260, go for a PE. First target is 18,170. Second target is 18,130. This is in the case of market opening flat here. That means below this rally high and below yesterday's close. Any rejection, go for a PE towards 170 and 130. Okay, if market opening gap down, if market opening here, I am not interested on the PE. Why? Because there is a good support at 140 to 130 level, at 130, 18,130 to 130 level. So I will look for a CE from here. I will look for a small SL. I will put a 10 or 15 points SL. I will look for a CE towards direct this high. That means 290, 18,290. I will look for a target on CE. If market opening gap down, that means if market opening below previous day low or nearby previous day low, I will look for a CE towards 18,290. Why? Because 330 is a good support. I will not look for a PE from here. So I will look for a reversal from here towards 18,290. This is Nifty, what I am looking for today's trade setup. So we'll look for bank nifty also with short span of time. See here, the scenario is entirely different. If market opening above this particular value area, so again the same thing, I will wait for the directional move. Any acceptance above 43,960 only, I will go for a CE towards all-time high. All-time high is 44,240. 44,240 is a all-time high. So any acceptance at 43,960, if market opening above the value area, any acceptance here, I will go for a CE towards this 44,240 is my target. This is one scenario. If market opening, again this is a rally high, okay, again this is a rally high, and if market opening nearby flat or below this value, this yesterday's close, I will go for a PE. Directly my target is 43,435, 43,365 is my direct target if market opening flat and getting rejection, and I will go for a PE. Direct target is 43,435 and 43,365 also. This is second scenario. Again here, if market opening gap down, okay, gap down, I will look for a pullback towards this poor high clearance. This poor high clearance, that means 43,855 is a CE. If gap down, I will look for a CE towards 43,855 for bank nifty. These are the three scenario. If market opening good gap up, that means above this 43,960, I will wait, and based on the open, how the open is holding, based on that I will play my play. I will update on the Telegram channel. So watching my channel, so kindly click the like button. Thank you very much.